This is the leaf. Gonna boil it for 30 minutes. Okay, make it more concentrated. Okay, after we boil the concentration, we're gonna filter it. You can use any filter. Okay, filter all the debris. Look at the dark color. Very nice. Okay, after that we're gonna soak it for another 24 hours. The concentration, you can see it's so dark, it's so thick. So when you want to use it, you just put 10 ml. Okay, just drop a few drops. You can use this. Okay, take, drop a few drop inside. Okay, you can put like every 1 liter 5 drop like that. Okay, remember to keep this in a cool place or in a fridge. Okay, not direct sunlight. This is the extract. I have taken a little bit. I just drop a little bit. Okay, and then add other stuff. Just this concentrated Indian almond leaf. Okay, looks like they are comfortable. Very good.